Other hybrid animals videos, and it's been a long time doing this. I've actually been playing hybrid animals, but never recording because why not? I had Minecraft and I wanted to do Minecraft shit. Oh my, it's been a long time playing this, even though I just played it like last week. Anyways, well, I'm gonna do some gameplay here since there's nothing we can really do now. I don't know what to do. I don't know what I wanted to do. I don't remember what I was making last time. I'm being honest, I don't remember what to do. Yes. Is it this? No, I've completed this already. Oh yeah, wait, look at this cool glitch. Shit. Whoa. I mean, it was the same. It's the same glitch where they just push something even though they didn't attack anything, like this. Have to do it in the right time if you don't want anything to be damaged. Anyways, how's your lives going, my viewers? It's been a long time that I've been straight up talking. I've never done that for a while now. And here and